Most real estate professionals are stuck in the dark when it comes to technology and marketing. They don't know what's working, what doesn't. They overspend and they don't get the results they deserve. I'm inviting you to this free webinar where we'll show you not only how to build a do-it-yourself strategy to grow your business, but also how to apply done-for-you systems that save you time, money, and frustration. In this session, you'll learn the must-have tools and systems every real estate professional needs to compete in today's market. How to use AI, websites, and CRM automations to attract and convert clients consistently. What to expect from your technology and marketing teams so you can finally stop guessing and start demanding results. At the Real Estate Marketing Group, we manage over $50 million in ad campaigns through Meta and Google and partner with some of the biggest brokerages, developers, and agents. And we built a scalable system that allows you to take control on your brand and grow, whether you want to manage it yourself or have a team like ours handle it for you. This is your opportunity to finally understand the blueprint that have made top producers successful in today's digital ecosystem. Don't waste another dollar on marketing that doesn't work or websites that doesn't generate leads. Register now to learn how to do it yourself or how to ensure your team is doing it right.